All this bad weather, all this bad weather. All this bad weather, all this bad weather. All this bad weather, all this bad weather.
I know it's gon' rain, but I hope it get better, cause I just might go insane. And I can't give up, yeah, nigga, gotta do my thing. When the sun ain't shining, better know that it's gon' rain, yeah, it's gon' rain. No, I can't give up, but I hope you never feel my pain. Yeah, hope you don't feel my pain. No, I can't give up, but I hope you never feel my pain. Yeah, hope you don't feel my pain. And I can't give up, but I hope you never feel my pain.
I done shed these tears for the last 2 years. Just the thought that I don't have you here. When the storm passed by, will it all seem clear? Cause I don't wanna feel hatred anymore. Can't fake this anymore, can't take this anymore. Half hope, ask God to stay afloat up in this river full of tears. Can I make it to a shore? Trust God, like, will I make it, Lord? Will this rapping ever take me on a tour? Selling out is nothing I can afford, but these haters love to knock me to the floor. But I don't get it, it just makes me want it more. Not giving up is something I reassure. I like the fame, but the money even more. If you gonna make it rain, make that motherfucker pour, huh? Can't tell me you ain't feeling this, cause if you ain't feeling this, nigga, then you sniffing shit. Which means you sniffing me, cause I'm dealing that crack. So when you hear me on these records, go on, take a whiff of it. I swear, a young nigga killing it. I spit that shit that make these old niggas dream of youth again. A young hooligan, and I'm rocking that hooligan, but want a better life, like I was a fucking immigrant.
Damn.
Shouldn't have let me in this booth again, cause every time I'm stepping in, I'm raping beats, no roof for Lynn. And I hear a few yelling, Sterling's the truth, and these hater niggas will lie, but I can still point out my truest fans. I swear that feeling is the truest, man. That's why I don't even call them fans, I call them my fam. I done lost my whole life, ain't losing again. A nigga just try and blow from the city you win. From the city you win. Just try and blow from the city you win.
Yeah, but I hope you don't feel my pain. Yeah. I know it's gon' rain, but I hope it get better, cause I just might go insane. And I can't give up, yeah, nigga, gotta do my thing. When the sun ain't shining, better know that it's gon' rain, yeah, it's gon' rain. No, I can't give up, but I hope you never feel my pain. Yeah, hope you don't feel my pain. No, I can't give up, but I hope you never feel my pain. Yeah, hope you don't feel my pain. And I can't give up, but I hope you never feel my pain.
I see that the sun shines once more. Raindrops still find their way to my floor. I guess that's one more thing we have in common. The rain's pouring on my mind, body, and soul. So does that not let me prosper? Rise with the sunlight, fall with the rain. Just make sure that the weather itself sustains. How could God leave us so faithless? How can I say this? How can I make you realize that sometimes my mind just takes its own time to realize that even when the sky falls, somehow I must find my way to stand tall. I keep my back erect with no regrets about my past, present, or future. Gray skies and thunder don't fool me. I know better. I know that her light will shine through me. So what do you do when your sky is no longer blue? Trials and tribulations will forever exist. Family and friends, please do not resist. There's no point in fighting. We are not immune to the atmosphere's lightning. 2 years suddenly became a long time. 2 years of rainy days for such a long time. Rain falls, but I won't. Thunder bangs, but I never will. Skies turn gray, and I'm more than sure that my hair will too. But none of that will matter as soon as I see you. My rainy days remind me of the joyful tears that fell from my face when I realized you were in a better place. Rejoice in the days of a chance of thunderstorms and cloud skies. True, the raindrops may be falling from your eyes, but please know that the bad weather is not just a forecast, but the emotions that we keep inside. Sunny days, everybody loves them. Trust me, I wasn't the first to notice. Just know this, things will get better no matter the weather. So we let a weak-ass forecast revive your past? Or will you smile on the days that the sun shines as you keep in mind that we all have bad weather?
I know it's gonna rain.